Hello everyone. Let's look at this numerical number 11. A body moves from rest with a uniform acceleration. So body starts from rest and goes through some acceleration. So yeah, let's say this is the acceleration. It is moving from rest. That means the initial velocity equals to 0. It travels 270 meters. So displacement equals to 270 meters in 3 seconds. So time equals to 3 seconds. Find the velocity of the body. Now this is up to 3 seconds. So this is our 3-second mark. Now the body will still keep on traveling straight. So we have to find what will be the velocity of the body when the time becomes 10 seconds. So let's say this is our time t equals to 10 seconds. We need to find what is the velocity after 10 seconds. Now remember, the most important part of this numerical is that it is moving with a uniform acceleration. That means the acceleration for part A, this part over here, for the first 3 seconds, and the acceleration for the rest of the motion will always be same. So if we find the acceleration for the first 3 seconds, we can find what is the acceleration. I mean, it will be the same acceleration for the 10-second mark also. So now let's try to find what is the acceleration. By using the second equation for motion, S equals to ut plus half at square. Now initial velocity is 0, so ut is 0. So we can say displacement S equals to half at square. Now displacement for the first 3 seconds, we are only talking about the first part of the problem, okay? We are only talking up to here. Okay, so for that part, we can say that यहाँ से यहाँ तक, the velocity and distance and displacement, whatever we are going to do is only for the first 3 seconds. So displacement is 270. So 270 equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by acceleration, and the time is 3 seconds. So 3 square will be equal to 9. So acceleration from here equals to 270 multiplied by 2 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 and 9 30s are 3 twos are 6. So acceleration equals to 60 meters per second square. So acceleration equals to 60 meters per second square, which will be the same for the 10 second also, which is 60 meters per second square. Everywhere the acceleration is exactly same. So now let's look at the second part over here. So the first part, the first 3 seconds, we used only to find what is the acceleration. Now we have to find what will be the velocity after 10 seconds. So we are going to talk about this. So our final velocity will be equal, is a question mark. We need to find time will now become 10 seconds because we need to find the velocity after 10 seconds. The 3-second part is already over. So using our formula, V equals to U plus at. Final velocity V equals to U, initial velocity is 0 plus acceleration is 60 and the time is 10 seconds now. So velocity equals to 60 meters per second. This is the final velocity after 10 seconds.